In this video, we will discuss CV writing tips and format for supervisors, and I will also discuss some important skills that must be added in your CV that will make sure you're 100% job success. So let's start. Okay, I'm having a CV sample that is written for the job of supervisor. Okay. The first part will be your brief introduction, like your name, address, and city state with phone number and email address. Second part will be objective of your CV, like you can state that you are highly motivated and experienced supervisor, and you are seeking a challenging leadership role in a reputable organization. You are committed to fostering a positive work environment, driving team productivity, and achieving operational excellence. After that, you can put your educational detail, your bachelor degree with university. Now there comes the skills that are most important part of CV that is or considered during the hiring process. Main important skills for a supervisor are: you possess strong leadership and management abilities. You possess excellent communication and interpersonal skill. You have proven ability to motivate and inspire teams. You are effective problem solving and decision maker. You possess exceptional organizational and time management abilities. You are proficient in budgeting and resource allocation. You have sound knowledge of industry relation and practices. After that, there comes the experience. There will be, so you will state whether you are working as supervisor or some other job title. This is related with job title, with company name and date of employment. In this part, all of the services or responsibilities provided by you will be mentioned. Like you can say that you oversaw and managed a team of employees, providing guidance, training, and performance evaluations. You developed and implemented strategies to improve operational efficiency. You monitored workflow and allocated resources effectively to meet targets and deadlines. You conducted regular team meetings to communicate goals. In this way, you will continuously state all of the duties. And if you are working as assistant supervisor in another company, you can also state that duties, like you can state that you assisted the supervisor in day-to-day operations, you provided support and guidance to team members, you assisted in development and implementation of process improvements to optimize efficiency. You conducted training sessions. You assisted in resolving customer complaints, and you prepared report and maintained record. After that, there can be other additional experience, like you are working in some leadership positions or supervisory roles. You can also mention that here. After that, there comes the references. You have to add good education references for securing the job. Thank you for watching, and you can state this. You can subscribe this channel for more.